Hi everybody, welcome back. Hope you had a restful weekend. Today we're going to be doing division by dividing things into equal groups. So our agenda for today, if you haven't completed it already, make sure that you complete your do now, so that's that daily math quizzes, our video lesson, and a check for understanding after our lesson, which will be reviewing what we go over today. Alright, so our first example is already done for us. So what they had is they had 4 apples, and they divided into equal groups by circling them, right? So where in each circle we have the same number of apples in each group. So we know that 4 apples, we can have 2 groups of 2, right? So our second one, we have 6 bananas, and we're trying to figure out how many groups of 2 we can get. So what we'll do is we'll circle our groups of 2. So that's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. So we know we have 1, 2, 3 groups of 2. All right, so we have 8 blueberries. We're going to try and figure out how many groups of 4 we can get. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 in that group, and 1, 2, 3, 4 in that group. So we have 1, 2 groups of 4. This one, we have 9 strawberries. We're looking for how many groups of 3. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. That's our first group. 1, 2, 3. That's our second group. 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3 groups of 3. We have 12 oranges. We're looking for how many groups of 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. So that's 1. 1, 2, 3. It's 2 groups. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. That's our fourth group. So we have 4 groups of 3. 16 watermelons. How many groups of 8? All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8's in the middle. So we have 1, 2 groups of 8. 10 blackberries. We're looking for how many groups of 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in our first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in our second group. So we have 1, 2 groups of 5. 14 peaches. So groups of 2. All right, so we're going to circle groups of 2. So we have 1, 2, that's 1 group. 1, 2, that's 2 groups. 1, 2, 3 groups. 1, 2, 4 groups. 1, 2, 5 groups. 1, 2, 6 groups. 1, 2, 7 groups of 2. All right. So we've got a few word problems. So the library has 20 chairs, and there are 4 at each table. How many tables are there in the library? So how many groups do we have? We have 4 tables, so we have 4 groups. So let's draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're more like ovals, but they still work. So now we have that 20. So we're going to tally these like we were in last week's episode or video lesson, whatever we want to call these ones. All right, so go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So how many tables are in the library? Oh, what am I doing? I goofed. Hello. I changed it up by mistake. let's redraw that one. Sorry about that. I made a mistake. All right, so we have 4 at each table. That's what we were looking for. I goofed. All right, so we have our first table. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Let's do another table. And we'll keep on counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep on going. 9, 10, 11, 12. Keep on going. 13, 14, 15, 16. Keep on going. 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so how many tables? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry about me making a goof. That happens sometimes. All right, so number 2, there are 18 books that need to be turned into the library. If they are in 3 equal stacks, how many books are in each stack? All right, so we know that there's 3 equal stacks, right? So we're going to have 3 stacks. So here's our first stack. Here's our second stack. And here's our third stack. So this way we've got to do it, that first one. So 18 books. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So how many books are in each stack? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 books. All right, our next ones, last 2. There are 40 students who want to play basketball. Each team has 5 students on it. How many teams can be made up with 40 students? All right, so how many teams can we have? So we know that each team has 5. All right, so it's going to be kind of like our table example. All right, so we'll draw our first team. That's a weird looking circle. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in our first team. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's our second team. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's our third team. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's our fourth team. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's our fifth team. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's our sixth team. 20, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. That's our seventh team. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's our eighth team. So we have 8. How many teams? Okay, this should not say students. This should say teams. All right, because our question's asking how many teams can be made. So there's an error right here. All right, last one. There are 27 guests staying at the hotel. There are 9 rooms being used with an equal amount of guests in each room. How many guests are in each room? All right, so we have 9 rooms. So we know that we have 9 groups. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so we're going to have 27 guests. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. All right, so how many guests are in each one of those rooms? So we have 1, 2, 3 guests. All right. So I'd like you to do this short review quizzes. It's reviewing some of the questions that we went over in this lesson to kind of check your understanding to see how you did. All right. If you have any questions or need some help, please reach out. I'll reach out to you during our classroom time too. All right. Thanks, guys.